Need to type all time formula. Once you use the formula, you just drag down, so all the calculation come here. So this is the way to use the sum formula. Okay, so in the same way we can use the one formula that is called maximum formula, that is for the grade 7, but I just giving you idea how to do it. And second one is the minimum. I want to find out who scored maximum mark in English. Now there are only 4 students, so there is no any problem. But the number of students are increased. Suppose there are 25, 100, 200 students. So it's very difficult to find out. So in that situation, I just use this formula equals to MAX, that is called max, opening bracket, closing bracket. In between bracket, I just keep my mouse and then I just clicked on 45, drag down, press button, and now I select accept. So he said me 84 is the highest number. Same for the minimum, equals to MIN for minimum, opening bracket, closing bracket. My cursor keep it in a center and then I just drag down and then I click enter button, accept button. So 44 is the minimum number. So this is the maximum and this is the minimum. So these are the ready-made functions. So we learn here maximum function, minimum function, and here we learn sum function. So 3 functions we already learned. That is the same function come in your grade 7 also. Okay. So this is the way to create a table. So you can do create one table in your home. Okay. And how to do it? It's very easy. You can just go through it. You can easily understand. So now this is the table one is ready. Okay. So entering information, selecting cell, that already we complete. Okay. Now changing the cell content, copying the moving cell, cut, paste. Okay. So cut paste is very easy. Suppose I want to select, right click, just click here, copy, paste. It's very simple. So you know how to do copy paste. So I again clicked here and I want to delete. So I just delete the things. Okay. Okay, fine. So this row is empty now, the column is empty. Okay. So this is the way to copy paste. Only just you see, I want to create same table. So you just select the table, copy, click here, right click, paste. So table is ready. So this is the copy and paste function. Okay. So it's very easy. Now the main part is come. So suppose this table, in this table I want a one row. Okay, I want to add one student. So in that situation what we can do, I just clicked here and I said insert row. Okay, so now its row is inserted, one row. I want to in between Rakesh and Pratik, so I again clicked here and I said insert and then okay. So in between is coming. So now again I click here and I said insert row, entire row. Okay, fine. So these are the way to insert. Okay, fine. Again I clicked here, insert row. So now you can see there is one row inserted. Okay, if you want to fill the any information of the roll number or any, if you want to add the students, you can do it. Okay, now I feel there I want to add one more subject, English, mathematics, Marathi, Hindi, and I want to add here Hindi. Hindi is already here. I want to add here science. Okay, so for that what we can do, we just click here and new, insert. So now entire row, no, I want this time entire column. Okay, I just clicked here, column ready, insert, enter column, column, new column ready, insert, enter column, column ready. So this is the way to insert row and insert the column. So already we insert the row 1 2 3 4 and column 1 2 3. Okay, so this is the way to insert the rows and the column. So you just understand the thing from your textbook. You just line by line read it. So these are the steps, entire row and entire column, so you can understand very easily. Now we focused on how to delete the rows and how to delete a column. So in that scenario, look here, I just click here, I want to delete column, so I just click here and delete option. Yeah, now he's asking me, you want to delete row? No, I want to delete column, because this is a column, this is a column. I want to delete column, so I just click OK. Delete entire column. Okay, select delete entire column. Okay, delete. Now I want to delete entire row. I just clicked here, delete. He's asking me, you want to delete column? No, this time I want to delete row. I just clicked here, delete option, and I want to delete row. I just click here, delete. I want to delete row only, and I just clicked here, delete. I want to delete row only. So now you can see as it is table is created. So what we learn? We learn insert a row, delete a row, and insert a column and delete a column. It's very easy. So there are some steps are given, so you just go through it. It's very easy, and you practice it again and again. That is very important. Now formatting cell. So formatting cell is already I given to you, explained to you, but again still I explain. Look here, formatting cells means what? It's look like this way, this cell. So I select the text format means I select this kind of handwriting, so it's come like this way, bold, so and italic, okay, underline if you want. So these are the come category under the formatting cells means it's format you want to change. Now here is the bold, italic and the underline. So there are some shortcut keys: control key plus B for bold, control key plus I for underline, and control key plus U for underline. So these are the buttons. Now changing the font color, it's very easy. So I just font color, this time I want to font color. If you want to change the background color, you can go here, okay, and if you want to change the font color, so I just go here and I select this font, okay. So this is the font color, okay. So you can just go here and then you can select the font color. If you want to change the font, you just select the table, you just click here and you just click which color you want, and then it's very faint, sorry, I just give any dark color, okay. So yellow, fine, and background I give you color like little bit dark shade, yeah, that's okay. So this is the way to change the colors, okay. Now it's very easy to understand. Now cell alignment. Cell alignment is again, observe the worksheet, everything in the left, okay. So I explain you, it's fine. So what is the alignment? So these are the four options in the alignment. Alignment means what? I want my text letters in the information in the left hand side, so I just click here. I want center, then I want right alignment, and the last one is justify. Justify means cover all the spaces, okay. So there is no empty space, he keep any empty space, okay. So I just select center alignment. So this is called alignment for arrangement of your text. If you want to arrange your text left side, so you can left alignment, right alignment if you want to right alignment, and if you want to center, so you can just centered alignment. So I just prefer centered alignment, it's very good, okay. So if you want to change, you can change, there is no any problem, okay. Then applying the vertical alignment, top alignment. So again, here is the some information, yeah, these are the alignment. Now this is top, center and bottom. If you want your information like this way, okay, this is the, I change the color because this is the heading, so you can understand, yeah. So I want this heading in the top side of cell, so this is the top side of cell. I want my heading center, so this is the center. I want my heading in the bottom side, so this is the bottom. It's very easy, so you can try it. So these are the options are available here, okay. So next one is the wrap text. Oh, this is very important. Wrap text, most of the time we face the problem, okay. So wrap text means what happened. Now I am right here total of the student mark. Suppose I write here mark. Okay, now you can see it's very difficult. It's little bit difficult. No, it's coming outside somewhere and it's not coming properly. So I select this box, and in that situation I clicked on the wrap text option. So you just click here and okay, so I just go here and wrap text option is available here. 1 second, 1 second. So now this situation we required wrap text, so I just clicked here. This is the option of wrap text, so I just clicked here. So now you can see it's come in a box. Okay, it's come in a proper box. Yeah, total of the students. So what we can do with the help of this, suppose I type here the letter is too much. So in that situation I just clicked on that box and I said wrap text, so it's come in like this way. Suppose I type here something big word and it's going outside, so in that situation I just click here and then I just clicked on wrap text, so it's come in a box. So that is called wrap text. Okay, so for the theory you can just go through it. I just zoom it so you can see easily. While you work on worksheet, the content of in the cell may exceed the width of the cell. In the such a situation, you can apply wrap text formatting to display the content in multiple lines of the same line. So these are the way we can apply the wrap text. Okay. So now next topic is the cell format. Cell format, like the various formatting options are can also be applied. Right click on the cell and selecting the cell format. Options numbered. The numbers tab allow us to display the data different formats such as a number, currency, and everything options are there. Okay. So number is what it's showing the numbers format. Currency, it's showing the dollar sign. It's related to money. Date, so it's showing a date. Time, it's showing time. Percentage, it's showing a percentage. Fraction, it's showing fractions 1 by 4, 1 by 2. Scientific, this is purpose, and the text it's for general purpose. Okay, so you can just see here I just clicked here and is the applied, right click and cell format cell, yes, this option. So you can see here once I clicked, so it takes some time. It said not responding means it takes some time. Yeah, this is the options. So percentage, currency, date, time. So there are different options are available. What you want? I want just simple number, so I use the simple number. Whenever I required percentage, so I use the percentage. Okay, currency, date, time, scientific. So all these are, you can try one by one. It's very easy. Okay, suppose I want to write here percentage, so I just click here and I can just go in a cell format. I say percentage. Okay, fine, and then I type here 55 percentage, 45 percentage, 30, 65 percentage, and 85 percentage. So this way you can use it. There is a way so we can understand the things. Okay, now I just deleted this. Delete. Okay, delete. Okay, fine. So this is the cell formatting. So we have different types of cell formatting: number, currency, date, time, percentage, fraction, scientific, and text. So it's depend on your situation, what information you are accepted from the student, and we can say from the user. So if you collect the information marks, so obviously you required only number. If you collect marks, date of birth, so you require date function also. category. Okay, so it's depend on your situation where what you want. Okay, so these are the types available and you can use it. I show it how to use the percentage and basically I use the number one. Okay, fine. And after that we can say here it's yeah, applying cell format. Yeah, using the redo and undo. Redo and undo, it's again very easy. Like I am type here 60 and I just clicked here 565. I write here and then I want to redo. Is these are the option undo and redo. So I just clicked here, so the value is erased. But I suggest no, that is the correct one. I want to go back, so you just click here. So it means we can go in previous state. So if you want to go in a back situation, so in that situation we just click the undo. Okay, and if you want to go in that situation, yeah, I'm right. So this is the option redo. Redo and undo is means like what? Suppose I am walking from first floor to fifth floor. Once I come in a third floor and then I realize I want to go only on second floor. So in that situation I used undo. So I come back and then redo. So then I come on second floor and then I understand, oh, I want whatever I want, that is only on third floor. So in that situation I just clicked on redo. So undo and redo means what? Back position and uh, come back in the same position. So this is the use. Suppose we are using sometime mistake, so you want to change that mistake, so you just click the undo. Redo rarely use, we use the most of the time undo. Okay, so now this is the difference between undo and redo. For you I just once read it, undo and redo. Okay, and undo is the feature used to reserve the action you perform earlier. For example, you can undo the previous cut action by the selecting undo. And redo is the feature that opposite to the undo. It allows user to reverse the action for the undo. So that I already explained. So that is now autofill. New topic is autofill. Okay. So autofill and the one more topic that is okay. It's not here. Okay. Autofill. Autocomplete is not here syllabus. Okay, I think maybe reduce. Okay, autofill means like I just explain here. I just write here, I just type the month. Okay, month, or you can say 1 2 and I just drag down. I want all the numbers are so Jan. I write here Feb, so you can see here, drag down, so all the months come automatically. So this is called autofill. What we can say? Autofill. Okay, but sometime what happened? It's not in your syllabus. I am seeing, but I just gave you information. This is called autofill. Autofill means what? Once I type 1 and next I type 2, so other words, other row automatically 3 4 5 6 8 9 10 it's coming, and I say type here Jan and I just type here Feb. Okay, then we can see here this formula applicable. But this is called autofill. Okay, again one topic I explained to you. Suppose I want to merge means what? Suppose this is one my table, I create here, I click all border and I want to give information in the center. So in that situation I just select and I first create a table, both the cell I select, and then here option merge. Merge means what? We combine the two cells. There are two cells and I want to combine that two cells, so I just click the merge option. So now I just type here whatever, it's month, simple. Okay, and again I am typing here, so this a month I want to center, so it's coming in the center. But now you can see here I just type M O THMON. Okay, fine. And Suresh name is already here, na? So I type here Suresh. Okay. Okay, fine. I don't want to save the file. Yes, exactly. Now it's coming. So once I clicked on S and the Suresh automatically is coming. That is called auto complete. Auto complete. This is called autofill. Autofill and autocomplete, what is the difference? This is called autocomplete. So it's complete the things automatically. That is called autocomplete. And I type here 1 and 2 and I drag down. So that is called autofill. Okay. Autofill and autocomplete, that is the main difference. Okay. Once I type 1, 2 and I just drag down the things, it's called autofill. Okay. Autofill. And then I type here only S, the Suresh is automatically come here. So that is called autocomplete. Earlier in your old syllabus, there is both the topics, autofill and autocomplete. But now I'm not seeing here autocomplete, but still I explain to you what is that. Okay. Now we are using some calculation in OpenOffice Calc. Already I give you idea about that. So simple one. Okay. So I just delete the all rows. Okay. I select this and I want to delete all rows. Okay. I want to delete this column as well. Entire column. Okay. So now I want here maximum score. Who scored maximum mark? I want here who scored minimum mark. I want here average. Okay, fine. So why it's coming in a down? I select and I select here center. Now it's coming in a center. Okay. So this way I just erase all this information so it's look good. Okay. Now it's come nice. Okay. So I just select here and I clicked here all border, my table is ready. Okay, fine. So I just little bit zoom so you can easily see what I'm doing. Okay, yeah. So now we want to find out maximum number from the this who score maximum marks. Sorry, these are the all marks of. Okay, so we need to change the thing little bit. We just click here this maximum, control C, control V, control C, control V, copy paste, control C and control V. Yeah. Okay, now maximum. For the maximum I just click equals to sign max opening bracket closing bracket. I want my cursor in between the both bracket and I select all these rows and then I clicked on this one. Simple. So it's come 84. Now no need to do here. So just drag down. Let's see it's come or not. Yeah, it's coming. Okay, these are the maximum numbers. Now we want to find out the minimum number. So I just click equals to minimum opening bracket closing bracket, in between the bracket I just keep my cursor and again I select here and accept 44 and same for the all. Simple. Now I want to average. So I just say equals to average formula is here. Average formula AVG is there. Maximum minimum average formula is there. So you can see here. Okay, full average. Okay, opening bracket closing bracket and I just clicked this. Okay, so I just erase and I just make this bracket complete and enter. So this is my average and this is the average for others. Average marks. Okay, so this is the function for we learn maximum, minimum and average. So all the information is given. Minimum function means what, maximum function means what. You can just try it again and again in your computer. So it's totally practical based chapter. Okay, so there is no any theoretical information. So this minimum function you understand, and I just explain you how to do it and perform the practical in your computer. Okay, so these are the basic functions for a minimum, maximum, and the sum. Okay. Okay, this is the way to now we complete the whole chapter parts. What are the important functions? And now here consider one worksheet is given of the grade 3 student. Okay, so the mark obtained of each subject, that is the mark information is given here, and we need to find out the total and the percentage. So how we find out the total and percentage? You just go through it and you can understand. I just give you one demo so you can easily understand from that. Okay, so I just remove the marks of the first student, sorry, yeah, this one only, and I select here 35. So now it's out of, suppose copy and I paste it. Okay, I select font red, so it's very easy to see from your mobile and laptop. Okay, and this color also I select something different, so it's okay, fine. Now suppose yeah, and here is the percentage. Okay, so I just double click here. Okay, fine. I create one table. Okay, so this color I want, let's say, okay, fine. You just change the color. Okay, now first we want to total. So suppose these are the grade 3 student, there are some marks. How to calculate the total? I just click equals to SUM opening bracket, and I select all, then my bracket complete, and I just clicked on this accept. My total is coming 150. Now I want to find out the percentage. So in your exam, in your that exercise, it's showing the formula how to calculate the percentage. Okay, so we can see here that formula. I just show it to you. So it's very easy to you understand. I zoom it. So now it's G2. Yeah, this is G2. Okay, G2. G, this is the header. My mouse is here. G header. This is G2. That is 150. Okay, so 150 divided by 250. Why 250? Because how many subjects? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 subject only. Okay, out of 200. So we need to divide by 200 only, not 250. It's wrong here. Okay, so 200 and multiplied by 100. So we need to find out the percentage. So it's very easy. So first we select this one. Okay, first we say equals to, okay, then G2 is there. What is here? H33. So I just clicked here, H33 divided by, okay, then total 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 means 50, 50, 50, 50. It's 200 and multiplied by, now divided by 200 and multiplied by 100. So now we can find out here percentage. The percentage is 75. Okay, so you can apply the same thing for all other 3 students is given in your textbook. Okay, so then you just go through it and you can find out this result. Once if you're facing any difficulty, you inform to me, you contact to me on my WhatsApp number. I'm available. If you have any problem, you can send me a screenshot, photos. I'm explained to you. There is no any problem. Okay, now the chapter is all complete, and now we can see the mind map. In the mind map we can see here, uh, in the mind map you can see, first we see components of the Calc. In the components of Calc we see menu bar, formula bar, formatting bar, toolbar and standard toolbar, workbook, and what is worksheet. In the worksheet we see row, column and cells. Then we editing spreadsheet, focus topic, next topic, and that selecting cells, entering data, changing cell content, and copying or moving cell. So this is the editing spreadsheet. Okay, next one is formatting cell. So font color change, bold, italic, cell alignment, wrap text, format cells come in there. Then undo and redo. What is that? How to do it? I explain all. Then next is autofill. So that month of January, Feb. So it's come in automatically. That is called autofill. And then calculation. Last part we are doing sum, average, maximum, and minimum. These are the functions, and these are ready-made functions are available, and that functions we are perform. Okay, so these functions are very important because the grade 7 portion it start from these functions only. Okay, so now the now the whole now the whole chapter is complete here. This is the fill in the blanks, so you can write down in your notebook. This is also notebook, complete part, whole part, exercise part complete in a notebook. That lab activity we can complete in a computer lab. Okay, and if you have still any doubt, so you can, I just share that this link, and you again and again click here and you can see the same video, and then you can clear your doubt. But still you not understand anything, so you can send me a message. You can take a photo of your laptop or desktop, and you can send it to me on WhatsApp, so I can clear your all the doubts. Okay, so I hope I covered all the topics from the syllabus. But if you realize any topic is left, so don't worry, that part we complete once the school reopen. Okay, but I know I cover all this topic. Okay, and if you have any problem, important part, if you have any problem you can send me a WhatsApp. That is very important. Now my part is complete. Now your part, you just see this video again and again and perform all the practical. That is very important. So it's not like that way computer, you see the video and okay fine. No, you see the video and perform practical. That is very important. If you are not doing perform practical, then theoretical knowledge is not important. In practical, in computer, practical knowledge is very important. So you see all these functions we are perform here. So all these function you perform in your laptop and computer. Once your function are performed very well, then you can send me a screenshot, and then we can see. Okay, so for further, there is if any issue, you can send me on WhatsApp. Okay, so I hope you understand the topic and you see the video and perform all function. That is very important. Okay, so thank you so much. If you have any query, again I say, if you have any queries, you can send it to me on WhatsApp. Thank you so much. Have a